Sorry about that. Okay. Which one do you like to do, Quynh?
I like chatting online.
Okay. Very good. Let's see. Complete the table with the nouns below. How many activities can you make? Okay. We have doing, going, playing, and watching. Okay. So a DVD. What do we do with a DVD?
Uh, I
Watching.
watching a DVD.
Okay, watching a DVD. Exercise?
I doing exercise.
Yes. Okay, football?
Playing football.
To the gym?
Going to the gym.
Nothing?
Doing nothing.
For walks?
Going for walks.
Tennis?
Playing tennis.
And TV?
Watching TV.
Well done. Okay. Good, let's carry on. Okay, what do you think about the activities in exercise 1 and 2? Write an activity next to, okay. So now we're going to say over here, boring, relaxing, interesting, exciting. Okay, so first you're going to tell me over here, what do you think is boring?
I think is
Oh, sorry.
I think play football is boring.
Okay, playing football is boring. Good. What do you think is relaxing?
I think relaxing is playing tennis.
Okay. What do you think is interesting?
I think interesting is doing exercise or go for a walk.
Okay. And what do you think is exciting?
I think is watching TV.
Okay, good. Now we're going to say, I like or I don't like. So, an example, I don't like playing computer games. I think it's very boring. Okay, so if you don't like, it's boring. If it's relaxing, it means you like it. If it's interesting, you like it. If it's exciting, you like it. Okay? The only one I don't like is boring.
I don't like playing football. I think it's very boring.
Yes. Okay. I like.
I like going for walks. I think it's very relaxing.
Okay.
I like watching TV. I think it's very interesting.
Yes.
I like playing tennis. I think it's very exciting.
Well done. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. Okay, vocabulary. So now, okay, I don't have the speaking. Let's carry on. So now we need to put these in the correct places. But first, I want you to go through all of them. Okay. So now, if we look at number 5 first, you can see this is a capital. Okay. So we say it depends. Sometimes I like going for walks. Okay, so it depends. would have to be on number 5. Okay. Then I want you to look at number 3. What do you think number 3 is? If you've got 2 things here, doing nothing to doing exercise.
I don't like doing nothing to doing exercise.
I prefer. So that means she likes doing nothing more than she likes doing exercise. Okay, okay. Now the rest of them, you can choose anyone. Doesn't matter. Using the internet.
I really like using the internet.
Okay. Number 2. Just remember, if it's my favorite thing, it must have is. You can choose anyone. I don't like, I love.
I don't like chatting online with him.
Oh. Okay. Number 4.
I love going to the gym.
Okay, and number 6.
My favorite thing is going shopping.
Okay. So this way we're going to see, I prefer. Okay, we only say prefer if it's 2 things. Doing nothing to doing exercise. Or it depends. Sometimes I like going for walks. Okay. Let's carry on. So we can use really and the verb to emphasize, to give emphasis. I really like going to the cinema. Okay. We don't say very. Okay. I really like going to the cinema. Okay. Write a short answer to the question. What do you like doing? Okay. So I'm just going to ask you, it does not have to be very long. I'm just going to ask you, what do you like doing?
I really like watching TV.
Okay. Tell me more. Okay, I wanted longer than that though. I really like watching TV. I usually watch TV in the evenings with my family or my brother or my sister. I enjoy watching comedy shows. I find that it's relaxing when I watch TV, and sometimes it's interesting.
I really like watching TV with my sister.
Okay.
In the evening, I love chatting online with my friends.
Okay. Good. And what's something that you don't like doing?
I sometimes go to the cinema at the weekend.
Who do you go to the cinema with?
I go to the cinema with my friends.
Okay. Good. Well done. And how old are you, Quynh?
I'm 12 years old.
Okay. Okay, good. Now let's look over here. We have grammar, present simple. So I want to look at this. We have positive or negative. I like. I don't like. You like. You don't like. He, she, it likes. He, she, it doesn't like. We, you, they like. We, you, they don't like. Okay, so now we have to choose which one is the correct answer, A or B. Does your best friend play tennis?
No, he doesn't play tennis, but he likes playing computer games.
Good. Do you watch DVDs?
Yes, I like watching DVD as frequent, but I don't like watching TV.
Tell me about something you like doing.
I like going to museums. It's very relaxing. B.
Okay. Do you do any exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym every morning at 6 a.m.
Good. Very good. Do you like reading newspapers?
It depends. Sometimes I reading the newspaper on
Read.
Saturday.
Yeah, okay. Sometimes I read the newspaper. Okay, very good. Watch out. Okay, if it's a day, we say on. So on Saturdays. If it's a time, we say at 6 a.m. Okay, or if it's the weekend, at the weekend. Use every to say how often you do something. For example, every morning or every Saturday, every day. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have here? Okay, we don't have enough time for this today. Let's see. But let's look at it. So you can think about this for your next lesson. Okay. In our next lesson, we're going to do this together. You need to describe a newspaper or magazine you enjoy reading. Okay, so do you like to read newspapers or magazines?
Uh, I like read. I like reading magazines.
Okay. So now you're going to tell me all about this magazine. You should say what kind of magazine it is. Okay. I want to show you over here. Look, this will help you. Is it fashion, sport, travel? Maybe
The magazine is fiction.
fashion. Okay. Now we're going to see which parts of it you read. So which part of the magazine do you like?
I like interview.
Okay, the interviews. You can say more than one. Even I like interviews and adverts and letters or whatever you want to say. Okay, and how often do you read it?
I read it at the weekend.
Okay, at the weekend. Where do you read your magazine?
I read it at my home.
Okay. Explain why you like this magazine. You can tell me lots of things here.
Because it's relaxing.
Okay, and it's very interesting, and I work very hard at school, so I like to come home and relax. And I think there are some of the stories are funny. You can tell me lots of things.
I love magazine because it's relaxing. After After school.
Yeah. Okay, after school, because you work hard at school. Okay. Okay, so that will be for next time. We're going to focus more on this because you need to say a lot. Okay, so I will write it with you. Just today we don't have enough time. I just want to write our page numbers. Do you have any questions for me?
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Where
And
are you?
I am from South Africa. Do you know South Africa?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I'm come from there. It's very far from you. And you can see it is very cold in my country. And what school do you go to?
I study at Quynh Secondary School.
Okay, okay. Do you have a lot of friends at school?
Yes, I have a lot of friends.
And what is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject at school is English and math.
Do you think English is easy?
I think English is, I don't know.
Is not easy. Do you think it's difficult? Or is okay? Your English is very good, so you should, I think you will do very well.
Yes.
Yes, okay. I just want to write a note here quickly. Okay. And you don't have any pets at home?
No.
Do you want to have a pet? Or you don't like animal?
I don't like animal because
They can be dirty?
yes, it's dirty.
Okay, okay. And do you have any more questions for me when we finish for today?
No.
No, okay. Good job. I hope I see you again.
Yes.
And I will see you next time.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.